Success would be whenever we have a client who feels heard, in my opinion. The criminal justice system is very difficult, and we are very, very blessed to be working with judges who care so much about what they do and getting the clients the help they need. So from the inside, we have two main teams that interact with our courts. We have the forensic single portal team, and they work with several different courts. So we have the felony competency restoration docket, we have the felony NGRI and IDD docket, and then the felony CTI probation docket. And those three dockets are run by Judge Lori Gray and Judge Mark Ellis. The other two courts that we work with is the misdemeanor mental health court done by Judge Andrews, and then we also work with the Harris County probate court, and that's done by Judge Cox. Then on the other side, we have the RIC court. The RIC court stands for, it's the Responsive Integrations for Change Court. So those are individuals who have a substance abuse charge, and we work with the cases and individuals within that docket that either have history of mental health or are in need of mental health services. One of the wonderful things about these two great teams being there is that they're not having to only deal with the criminal and court piece of it. They have somebody reaching out saying, you know, what are your needs? We're here for you. So the clients are really benefiting because they go somewhere stressful, court, to deal with something, and they're having a face reach out saying, well, what do you need while you're here? Forensic Single Portal, we have some statistics from the 2020 year. On average, each month there were about 120 patients that were waiting for a competency restoration bed. Then there were about 80 patients each month on average that were back in custody, either waiting because they were on CTI probation and they ended up back in custody, or because they were coming back from competency restoration and those clients have open criminal cases. There were 230 plans submitted by Forensic Single Portal to the courts to release into the community. And then finally, there were 109 inmates that Forensic Single Portal helped coordinate psychotropic medications that were court-ordered. For the RIC court, we also have some statistics, and in 2020, there were 21,669 cases that the RIC court dealt with. Out of that number, 10,919 of those cases were dealing with individuals who had mental health issues. And so that means 50.4% of the cases handled throughout the RIC court in 2020 were in need of coordination for mental health and resources that can help stabilize them in the community. Mental health, it's so easy to dismiss, but more than that, I truly love the criminal side of it. The clients who have just been dismissed, the clients who have been told that they don't matter, that they've been treated as a number for so long, that's the piece that I love, is being able to connect with that person.